Hey people, just want to quickly show you how to rationalize your numbers. Somehow you have a bunch of numbers, you want to make them in a very orderly manner. Something like if you have like random numbers between 0 and 100, but you want to stick some of them to the intervals of 5 or so. So we have a surface here and we define it in Grasshopper. It's an object. We're gonna keep this so we can select whenever we want to. Just want to quickly divide this into some pieces. Yeah, I think 5 is over. Can I use laser frame? So we have some surfaces to work with. Alright, there's a list length. Sorry, list length. Do this, and we're gonna do a random number here. Gonna connect this to this one. Gonna construct a domain and put it here. Let's say we have a domain of 500 to this 50. So these are the numbers we have, and we're gonna extrude the surfaces. Oops. Put this one. Extrude this 0 direction based on these numbers. This. I'm going to do a preview. I hope you can hear my voice. My microphone isn't that good. Put it right here. Let's say swatch. Maybe we can drop a wireframe. Alright. So these are the numbers. Yeah. It's quite beautiful. So we're gonna make a list and say numbers either are 150 or you can make it a little drastic. 0, 150 and 300. Make a list out of it. Say we need to deduct all of these numbers from all of these numbers and sort them out. Find the minimum number. So what we do is we graphs numbers here and deduct them from the numbers. So we have this list. We have 3 numbers in each. 75 numbers. And get the absolute because the distance between the numbers are more important for this than the numbers itself, like if it's minus or if it's positive. So we take this and we say, let's sort them. Please, let's sort these and that. So we're gonna get these numbers which apparently first index is the closest number to our numbers. So we're gonna get the we're gonna get the first index. So we have this. Careful. I'm gonna flatten this. Flatten this like this. Flatten 3. I'm gonna fit this to our extrusion value of the z-axis. We have these numbers. So if you put this, see these are, this is the tallest, these are the lowest. This, it just scales down to whatever we have. So imagine that we have more variation. We can start with a series instead of having a list. If you have a list, that's okay. If you don't, you have intervals or you want to be more flexible, you can make like 100 numbers and your interval is going to be maybe 50. So these are the numbers we have. Quite a variation. Just take this and put it like that. And these are the numbers you will get. So this is how we rationalize random numbers like this to numbers that we want to have like this. Please subscribe if you enjoy these videos, and whenever I see your support, I get motivated to make more videos. Thank you very much. See you soon.